Welcome to this lecture on structure and physical properties of molecules, along with acids, bases, and isomerism. In chemistry, understanding how molecules are structured allows us to predict how they behave, whether they dissolve, react, or interact with biological systems. In this session, we will systematically explore how molecular structure influences physical properties, how acids and bases are defined at a deeper level, and how isomerism leads to diversity in chemical behavior. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to clearly understand the concept of bond polarity and molecular polarity, and how these influence intermolecular forces. You will also learn how intermolecular forces determine melting and boiling points, and how solubility depends on molecular interactions. Additionally, we will examine two important acid-base theories, and finally explore isomerism, which explains how compounds with the same formula can behave very differently. Let us begin with the concept of bond polarity. When two atoms form a chemical bond, the electrons are shared between them. However, this sharing is not always equal. The difference in electronegativity between the atoms determines how the electrons are distributed. If the difference is significant, the electrons are pulled closer to one atom, creating a polar bond with partial charges, denoted as delta positive and delta negative. If the electronegativity difference is negligible, the electrons are shared equally, resulting in a nonpolar bond. This unequal distribution of electrons leads to the formation of a dipole moment, which is a key factor in molecular interactions. Moving from bonds to entire molecules, molecular polarity depends on both bond polarity and molecular geometry. Even if individual bonds are polar, the overall molecule may be nonpolar if the geometry is symmetrical and the dipoles cancel each other. For example, carbon dioxide is a linear molecule where the dipoles cancel, making it nonpolar. In contrast, water has a bent structure, causing an uneven distribution of charge and resulting in a polar molecule. Thus, shape plays a crucial role in determining whether a molecule is polar or nonpolar. Intermolecular forces are the attractive forces between molecules, and they are weaker than chemical bonds but extremely important. The first type is London dispersion forces, which arise due to temporary fluctuations in electron distribution. These are present in all molecules. The second type is a dipole-dipole interaction, which occurs between polar molecules. The strongest among these is hydrogen bonding, which occurs when hydrogen is bonded to highly electronegative atoms like nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine. These forces significantly influence physical properties such as boiling point, melting point, and solubility. The melting and boiling points of a substance depend largely on the strength of intermolecular forces. Stronger forces require more energy to break, resulting in higher melting and boiling points. For instance, water exhibits strong hydrogen bonding, which explains its unusually high boiling point compared to molecules of similar size like methane. Additionally, molecular size and surface area also contribute. Larger molecules tend to have stronger dispersion forces, increasing their boiling points. Solubility is governed by the principle like dissolves like. Polar substances tend to dissolve in polar solvents because they can form favorable interactions, such as hydrogen bonds or dipole interactions. Nonpolar substances dissolve in nonpolar solvents through dispersion forces. Ionic compounds dissolve in water because water molecules surround and stabilize the ions through hydration. Thus, solubility is essentially a balance of intermolecular interactions between solute and solvent. Solvents can be broadly classified as protic or aprotic. Protic solvents contain hydrogen atoms bonded to electronegative atoms like oxygen or nitrogen, enabling them to form hydrogen bonds. Examples include water and alcohols. Aprotic solvents, on the other hand, do not have such hydrogen atoms and cannot donate hydrogen bonds. Examples include acetone and dimethyl sulfoxide. This distinction is particularly important in organic reactions, as it influences reaction mechanisms and the stability of intermediates. In solution, especially in solvents with low dielectric constants, oppositely charged ions may not completely separate. Instead, they can remain associated as ion pairs. These ion pairs behave differently from free ions and can influence reaction rates, equilibria, and electrical conductivity. Understanding ion pairing is important in both physical chemistry and reaction mechanisms. According to the Brønsted-Lowry theory, an acid is a substance that donates a proton, while a base is a substance that accepts a proton. This theory emphasizes proton transfer as the fundamental process in acid-base reactions. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with water, it donates a proton to water, forming hydronium ion and chloride ion. Each acid-base reaction also involves conjugate pairs, which are species that differ by one proton. The Lewis theory expands the concept of acids and bases beyond protons. In this theory, a Lewis acid is an electron pair acceptor, while a Lewis base is an electron pair donor. This allows us to explain a wider range of reactions, including those that do not involve hydrogen ions. For example, ammonia donates an electron pair to boron trifluoride, forming a coordinate covalent bond. Isomerism refers to the phenomenon where compounds have the same molecular formula but different arrangements of atoms. These differences in structure lead to variations in physical and chemical properties. Isomerism is particularly important in organic chemistry and biochemistry, where small structural changes can lead to significant differences in biological activity. In structural isomerism, compounds differ in the connectivity of atoms. Chain isomers differ in the arrangement of the carbon skeleton. Position isomers differ in the location of a functional group or substituent. Functional group isomers have the same molecular formula, but different functional groups. These variations result in different chemical and physical properties despite having the same formula. Stereoisomerism arises when compounds have the same connectivity, but differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms. Geometrical isomerism, such as cis-trans isomerism, occurs due to restricted rotation around double bonds. Optical isomerism occurs in chiral molecules that exist as non-superimposable mirror images, known as enantiomers. These isomers can have dramatically different biological effects, especially in pharmaceuticals. To summarize, molecular structure determines polarity, which in turn governs intermolecular interactions. These interactions influence physical properties such as melting point, boiling point, and solubility. Acid-base behavior can be understood through proton transfer and electron pair interactions. Finally, isomerism demonstrates how structural differences lead to diverse chemical properties. A strong grasp of these concepts forms the foundation for advanced studies in chemistry and related fields. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and enable the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you.